Hi guys, it's Skincare with Cheese here. Welcome back to my channel. I know it's been a while, but I decided to do a quick tutorial of how I get my hair into this simple updo and how I remoisturize my hair during the week when it's dry. Before I get into this video, please subscribe. If you're old, thank you for coming back to my channel and watching. If you're my subscribers, I love you guys. Thank you so much. If you're new, please subscribe. Comment down below anything you want to ask me, or if you want to suggest any new hairstyles or tutorials or reviews. So if you guys want to see how I get this simple updo, please keep on watching.
So I'm starting with dry chunky twist. Now I'm going to show you how dry and thirsty my hair is. I'm going to be using the Shea Moisture Jamaican Black Castor Oil Leave-In Conditioner, J Organic Solution Hydra Moisturizer, and OGX Renewing Argan Oil of Morocco. I'm starting with the leave-in conditioner as my liquid, and I'm working it into my hair and detangling at the same time. Now I'm going in with my moisturizer. Making sure I'm working it in thoroughly. Followed by my oil as my sealant. Now I'm just combing through to get rid of any extra knots. Then I'm just going to twist it back up.
Now here we stand and hover on the edge. We're just a drop in time. I feel like I gave you every breath I had. Even forgave your
And that is how I moisturize my hair. So I'm going to do that to the last section. And I'm going to use the same steps. see how soft and shiny my hair is. And now I'm just going to style it. Just a quick simple style. I'm braiding the back now, just carrying all the twists and braiding it together. And now I'm just going to pin the front to the back.
Am I safe for walking out on us? Oh, or am I losing touch? Too many games, now all our chips are lost. Oh, luck was not enough. I opened my
And that's it, folks. That is all I have to do, and that's what I'm going to do throughout this week. I'm going to take small oil and just bubble my edges. Use like a soft bristle brush to smoothen it out. That's it.